Hello everyone, a very happy morning, and today is a special day. You know why? It's a birthday celebration for my sister's sons, and we are going to celebrate this in a in a different way. It's a virtual celebration. So let's do this cake fast. For this, I have taken a finger millet. We call it as a ragi. So we have to put that in a pot or any vessel and pour some water, and we have to wash this first. You can wash according to the if it should be clean water, till that you can wash. So wash and keep water some in that, and we have to soak this for at least 8 hours. Yes, 8 hours or overnight, or 24 hours is also fine. So 12 hours is also fine. So 8 hours, minimum 8 hours, so soak that. So once after that 8 hours, just remove that water. Again, you can just wash it and remove that water. We don't want this water. We are not going to use this water. Just discard the water, and we have to grind this. So now what we are making here is we are making milk with this finger millet, uh, with ragi. So we have to take a milk. So how means, like, I have taken here 1 cup of ragi means, then 1 cup of water you can use, or else it should, if it is a little bit more also, it's fine. One cup to 1.5 cup. So grind this in a like a smooth paste kind of thing, because we are going to strain the water. That's why you had to grind. And see, again I am adding water now, 1 cup or 1.5 cup. So you can use that much of water. See, my ragi is grinded now. So put those grinded ragi in a muslin cloth, and just squeeze all the water. It's a milk, so squeeze all the milk from it. See how much is possible, and remaining you can just discard it, or if you don't squeeze fully, then you can use that remaining pulp for idli. So just add urad dal also, soaked urad dal, and just grind it urad dal, and add this remaining pulp to that, and just you can make the idlis with that. Now the milk is ready, right? It's very easy. Even this is a very tasty cake. You had to try this out if you have not tried. So here, the same measurement. So 1 cup of ragi means 1 cup of jaggery. So darken the jaggery, the that is better. Okay. So now you have to keep this on stove. Okay, and you had to stir it continuously. See, we keep that in a low flame. It's a low flame, so keep that in a mind. And you have to stir it continuously here. You can do it slowly. Okay, it's not like that. Later you can do it little fast, not that fast also. You can do it. See, till this much you had to do. See, now it has all became like a solid kind of thing, right? And you had to stir. See, the like it turned, the milk turned to the color like this, because we even added the jaggery, right? That's why. And just rotate it, mix it properly. It should become like halwa kind of thickness. So now it has become little thick, right? This consistency is fine, and it should be little more thick. It's like 80-90% is done. And in this stage, we are going to add 1/8 teaspoon or quarter teaspoon of dry ginger powder and cardamom powder. So just mix it, and now I'm switching off the gas. It's done. See, perfect, right? This consistency should be there. So for the toppings, we are using the poppy seeds. If you don't want poppy seeds, just remove that. Don't use that. So we have to dry roast this little bit and keep it ready before itself. See, I have taken this kind of a plate. Okay, on that I have put little coconut oil and greased it. On that I have put these poppy seeds all over, and on that I am putting this dry coconut gola giri. Okay, just shaded the coconut giri, dried one, and sprinkle it on top of that, just like this. And on top of that, it should be ready. Keep ready these toppings before itself. Then just pour this halwa kind of thing, cake batter. It's ready actually. Then just spread it properly, nicely. See, evenly, like this way. So the cake is ready. Only thing is, like, you had to keep this in a fridge for at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes or more than, like, you can keep overnight also. Nothing will happen. So it will be ready. So 1 or 2 hours before serving, you keep that. And see, now just with the knife, you take out the edge like this way, and just rotate this on a plate. Transfer that, right? See, oh, okay, see, this is the perfect thing. If you don't forget to put that coconut giri or poppy seed, later also you can just apply on top of that. And see, my daughter is decorating this cake celebration. She is arranging everything for my sister's son's birthday. This is ritual birthday, right? See how we are making it. My daughter is decorating this place. She has written that happy birthday thing in a triangle shape, and she's just pasting those with her stickers, right? And she shows so much interest in doing this kind of thing. And our cake, everything is ready. Only we have to call them. See? Slowly, Tandu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Manu. Happy birthday to you. Yes, see, cake is there. Cake is ready. Happy birthday. Satri cake. See, Ria, instead of you, Ria is cutting the cake. Okay? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manu. Happy birthday to you. Wow, see, you can have this Ah! How is the taste? It's nice, nice. Okay. See, Ria is also giving you. Yay! See, cake. This is Sadhvik cake. Yay! Did you like it? See, you are not here. That's why we are making like this way. Ah, okay. Take this. See, Mama also giving some. Mama also take giving this. Some. You some have one bite. Ah. Nice. Okay. See. Okay, for me also. Yay. Mm. Super. Mm. This one. Ria made some namkeen. Mama made some namkeen for you. Wow. It's nice. I wish you on that vacation. Yeah. And sweet is also very awesome. Cake. It's very delicious. Hmm. Actual birthday celebration. First time in his life he had virtual cake. right, Manu, for you. Virtual cake. Yeah. See, Ria has made decoration. Happy birthday and all. Decoration is very nice. Thank you, Ria. We will send the photo later. Okay. 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 Thank you, everyone. Okay. Okay, Manu.